My next pool party, please wait behind that yellow line for me.
When inches creep and strange frightening sounds
Where did Jackson go?
in the hall. When ghosts are practicing their
Stand against the wall.
to the haunted mansion. I am your host.
Step away from this wall and keep moving all the way forward and across, filling in all that space, all the way back.
Our tour begins
Move
here
forward,
in this
please,
gallery.
all the way back.
Here
Do
we
not
see
stop in the
paintings of
center.
some of
Move
our
forward.
All the way across the
as
room,
they appeared in
please.
their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back.
Step away from the walls and gather to the dead center of the room, away from the walls.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of corporeality, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to.
Go ahead and take a step away from the wall.
The real chills are here. And we continue.
Fill in all space, walls, and
And let's
chain. You
all
are not
stay
in a
together.
line.
Please.
Any space.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes. No flash pictures, sensitive. Oh yes. And no flash pictures, please. No flash spirits are frightfully sensitive to the right light. Sensitive. Our library is well stocked. No flash pictures. No flash spirits are frightfully sensitive. Our library is sensitive. No flash spirits are Our library is well stocked with priceless editions and marble busts of the greatest North chosen? Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the night.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Life will be unlivable here in this house.
By breaking
Every room has wall to
remain
wall.
seated in your doom buggy. We will get you out.
Wherever they're at. Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Hello, attention foolish mortals. Please remain seated and try to begin motion.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween.
The happy haunts have
Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
are beginning to materialize. They're assembling